Make your own animated sound-reactive LED ukulele from a clear plastic instrument, NeoPixels, and an Adafruit feather sense. Choose a custom animation pattern to suit your song with a simple pluck of a note. Pluck another note to activate strum reaction mode so that your animations react to your playing. And of course, we've added a Guitar Hero-style Rockstar mode, activated by the built-in accelerometer when you tilt your ukulele with wild abandon. With a battery life of several hours, you can bring it along on all your travels and fill the air with both dulcet musical tones and beautiful frolicking gyrations of color and light. Tune in to learn.adafruit.com for the full build tutorial, and be sure to pluck that like button and subscribe for more scintillating project ideas.